how to deactivate or delete TikTok account on desktop, PC, or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete or temporarily deactivate your TikTok account within the desktop browser on any device, including MacBooks, Chromebooks, computers, anything. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser, navigate to tiktok.com and log into your account. Once you do that, go into the left menu and select More. If you don't see More, go ahead and select Profile and then select More. In the menu that appears, go up to the top, select General. Then all we need to do is make sure we're on Manage Account, go to the right and select Delete next to Delete Account. Now, as you can see here, it's going to give you more information. Basically, your TikTok account will be deactivated for 30 days. Now, if you don't reactivate it in 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So you can deactivate it by logging back in within 30 days, or if you want it permanently deleted, just wait 30 days and it'll be permanently deleted. Once you're ready, go ahead and select Continue. Enter your TikTok password. They may ask you for more confirmation of your identity, such as a code to your email or phone. Enter that in, select Delete Account, and then after that, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. You can reactivate it anytime by just logging back in, or you can wait the 30 days and it'll be deleted after that. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.